Ja, ik weet niet hoe dit eraf moet, Mark.
Ik heb ook geen idee.
Die binnenlijst.
One moment.
Ja?
Oh ja, daar gaan we zo even naar kijken. Ik weet namelijk wel, hieronder zitten schroefjes.
Oh.
Dus we moeten daar misschien wel even, eerst even foto's maken. En dan gaan we heel even voorzichtig kijken hoe die los gaat. Hi there, welcome back. It's almost time to get the car to the painter. Yes. So today we are finishing up, putting some parts on, cleaning it, everything, just vacuum and do whatever necessary. So that tomorrow morning, the guys are here with the trailer and take the car away to the painter. And next time we will see the car is when I am going to bring some parts they need for fitting, body panels fitting, and but I'm going to keep the parts here so I can clean them and then ship it over. So enjoy and let's get started.
Get a drum as a toy for Christmas. Was one of the greatest innovators. The know and the right. It's a whole yard full of fans.
Oh, dat mag ook. So, meanwhile in The Hague, we are working and working and working and working. The car is clean. I found the window washer bottle wasn't in a very good shape, so we cleaned it. I removed the rust on the bracket, but the bracket will rust again, I understand, but for now it looks a little bit better. And then when we are going to order some extra parts, then we're going to order a new bracket, because this one is past its lifetime, something like that. But it's done, because the rust has gone in and in the bracket. So but it looks okay. So the front is ready. some extra interior trim, oh you can close it, has been removed. Here you see it. So no more up. The complete car is vacuumed. We're now putting the rubbers back on at the back side, having a look at the list because I just damaged something. Every time we are working with a list. Write down what we want to do, and then how do you call it?
Yeah.
Underline? No. Well, maybe. But to have a feeling what do we want to do, and is it going to work? So I think we're finishing up right now, and then we're gonna have some coffee. So stage 2. And that's a wrap. Yes. So, she's ready for transport. So, to finalize what we are doing, we removed some interior parts that I want to repair, clean, just to be able to. And if we don't repair or clean them, we'll put them back when the car is back. But yeah. I'm pretty happy with how she looks. She's starting to look like, there's Mark again, but she's starting to look again like the way she was when we started this project. I'm a little bit tired. Just all the excitement of what we're doing. And finally, it is time to get my baby her color back, her coat back. So I can't wait to see the result. So for now, I'm gonna snap my finger, and when I snap my finger, I think the tow truck is here. So let's see what happens.